Number 9, the silent treatment. The stakeholders are passive and unengaged. Tricky thing when the Scrum team is supposed to collaborate with the stakeholders to figure out what to build next. There are some ways how you can adjust this. First of all, you can't mention this often enough, educating the stakeholders about the importance of the sprint review and their role. Maybe they need more training. Maybe they need encouragement. Maybe it helps to have the sponsor from the C-level attending your sprint reviews. Be creative about this. If they like muffins, get some muffins. Just try to sell the event itself. Secondly, what's really working nicely is let the stakeholders drive the sprint review and put them at the helm. It's not just show and tell, but just let them figure out what you built and whether this is meeting their expectations and whether they see value in that. And again, a small science fair always makes sense. So even if you have just 2 or 3 teams working on the application, it's already creating a different environment. It's more fun that way. It's also not some sort of broadcasting, but you walk around and you check out different booths, and it really worked nicely. By the way, what I mentioned just a few minutes ago, this is just working out provided your stakeholders are not just sending some proxies to participate in the sprint review. You need the original, so to speak, not just a poor trainee who is tasked with go to the sprint review and write down what they're telling you, and report back to me. This is not working. You need to have the real folks from the stakeholder side at the meeting.